Well, today I'm feeling really appreciated by all of my managers in QC and QA.
Someone from GMP Manufacturing today brought us in some special treats for the fill finish team for going above and beyond this weekend. We were here until like 4 in the morning, finishing up a storage. So yeah, it was nice to get some recognition for that.
I feel appreciated every day at Forge by how hard my team works every single day. They show up for me, they show up for Forge, and I can't thank them enough for that.
I appreciate my team. They are the best.
I'd say I feel appreciated because my coworkers always take the time to say good morning and ask how I'm doing.
I feel very appreciated at Forge. I think that everyone who works here is really supportive of each other, and I'm thankful that I know I can go to all my coworkers if I need something and that they feel like they can come to me if they need something as well.
The people, honestly, getting to show up every single day and work with people that are kind and collaborative and thoughtful, purpose-driven. Yeah.
I'm very satisfied with being a team member of Forge because they are very hardworking. They are very aiming for the target of everybody, and I am very happy that I am in such team. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling.
I feel appreciated today for everyone's involvement in our composting program.
I'm always so happy to see everyone, but it makes me feel good when I say hello to people and they say hello back.
I appreciate Hannah.
And I appreciate Emily.
Hi, I feel appreciated by my awesome team members. They do a great job of authentically showing up as themselves, which allows me to do the same.
I got to connect with colleagues that I don't get to see all the time.
I appreciate my team so much for all they do, whether it's working in the lab or working on reports. It's just amazing opportunity to work with all these fantastic people.
I feel appreciated by my colleagues.
I feel appreciated because I feel like my voice is heard, and when I speak up, people listen, and the conversation it goes both ways. There have been plenty of experiences in the past where I've had things to say that are important, and I just not feel that I got the response or the kind of communication I was looking for, but here at Forge it's different.
I feel appreciated today by having all of our different team members say hello and greet me with my first name. It's really hard with over 400 employees now, but it feels really good to have some of our veteran employees and some of our newbies know who I am.
Knowing that we have so many challenges ahead of us and we have so much support from so many people at the facility, and it's nice to know that everybody's concerned and is willing to help when we need help. So that's a great feeling knowing that every day.
I hope everyone at Forge feels appreciated because all of the work that you do day in and day out is amazing. Thank you, Forge.
I feel appreciated today because I got to come in and do a good job with a lot of people that I enjoy working with.